In this video, we're going to talk about 3 strategies that will help you along your Vietnamese journey. Number 1, Vietnamese is a tonal language, which means, to put it simply, words are pronounced with different pitch level, higher or lower, and with rising, level, or falling intonation. Tones have a distinctive function. Standard Vietnamese has 6 tones. Therefore, familiarizing ourselves with tones is the first thing we should do. Number 2, Vietnamese is a not inflected language, which means that words do not have different forms according to the number, case, tense, or modality. Thus, when it comes to speaking or writing Vietnamese, we don't have to worry about conjugating the verbs or using plural forms. Number 3, Vietnamese is a monosyllabic language, which means that each syllable only has one meaning, with a large number of compounds, and the majority are 2-word syllable compounds. Because each syllable only has one meaning, if we mispronounce one syllable, the meaning will be completely different, making our Vietnamese not understandable. Because of this, the tip here is, when we speak, slow right down, making sure that each syllable is clearly pronounced. If you're ready to go on your Vietnamese journey, the first step to take is over here.